Sean, look at that. I took that like a week ago.
Kathleen, I'm seeing. What do you think?
Okay, go.
Going down. You don't touch me, Sean. Sorry. Oh wait, I don't want this. I just wanted one piece.
Oh god, this is so funny. Okay, Shawnee, do something else.
Are we all videotaping?
I'm videotaping. What are you doing?
I'm taking pictures of Sean.
Okay, you're supposed to talk. I need to hear.
I love chocolate.
I love New York.
Oh my god.
I love New York.
Yeah.
Okay, Shawnee.
Do you think our mom's gonna like her?
I know why.
Here. Look at Sean. A little bit pieces.
Sean, look at you.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What am I doing in there?
take a picture of Miranda thought. Look at Sean.
Oh, I look pretty.
Huh?
Take a video of Miranda throwing me against the
It's
fence.
not Marina, it's Marina.
Throw me against the fence.
Okay.
I need to get off this thing.
Oh my god.
Sean!
Harder. Do it again. Do it again. Oh shoot! I took a picture of my Are you recording?
Okay.
Oh my god, I ate it.
Shawnee, act how you usually act.
Stupid.
You act like so loud. And Maria.
Give me my candy.
Give her a candy.
I ate it.
That was hers? And you opened it?
No, remember the one I was gonna give you?
Marina, is she coming? Yeah.
Sushi ate it. I thought you were pointing at Jacqueline. I was like,
No.
yeah, she's there.
Okay. Ooh.
Marina.
Oh, I'm recording.
Oh shit.
Oh. My battery is too loaded.
Yes, ma'am. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
No,
Stop doing that stuff. I have some stuff in here. Like my candy and my iPod and my shoes.
Did you bring it today?
Oh god.
Girl.
You can have it. I already sucked on that yesterday, Sean.
She had all that in her mouth.
And drama, that was in my mouth.
Oh god, you're Jasmine.
Shawnee.
Well, you should have put these